Welcome. This is a demonstration of doing toe rotations, a technique from Reflexology. So we're going to start by creating good support at the joints. You're going to use your thumb and your forefinger at the joints in the foot. You're going to make a splint with your thumb and your index finger and rotate the entire toe in a nice large circle. Please be sure you go both directions. And then we're going to switch to the next toe. Remember, with the smaller toes, there are two joints in each digit, and we want to make sure that we're creating support with the splint of the thumb and the finger. If you need to, switch supporting and working hand to get to the outer digits. Uh, Enjoy this practice. I'm doing a little bit of traction here at the end because I like to. All right. Thank you for joining me.